Okay, to determine if your property is in a FEMA flood zone, you're going to go right to this website, msc.fema.gov, and you're going to put the address right here. And I'm going to just pick on an area I know has flood zone. And then right down here below, this is going to show you kind of a Google map here. This really isn't telling you if there's a flood zone. This is just telling you the boundaries of the actual flood zone map. So this green area right here is telling us that this property is located in a area with a flood map boundary of this right here. So to view that flood map, you're going to click up here. And now you've got the actual flood map. So notice this map coincides with this right here. And notice our pin is down here in the lower right. So if we look at this property, notice we've got a dark gray, a light gray, and a white area. This is going to tell you your flood zones. If we look at the legend, zoom in, that dark gray is the 100-year flood area. The light gray is 500-year flood area, and the white is outside of the floodplain. So in this case, this area is in the clear. This is a 500-year floodplain, and this is all 100-year floodplain. And you may have to do a little bit of zoom in on the streets to figure out exactly where your property is in the map. But this is how you figure out if your property is in a FEMA flood zone.